Hello, today I'm going to introduce you this LCD NVR. What you see now is our unboxing show. Here is the packing list. The display of this LCD NVR is 10.1 inches. The hottest model should use 2.5 inches. Connect the NVR first. Power on the camera. After waiting for the NVR to start, enter the default password A8A8. After logging in, the NVR will automatically load the screen. In the absence of barriers such as voices, the Wi-Fi connection distance in an open environment can be up to 60 meters. This kit supports PDZ function. You can adjust the camera angle according to your needs. When you need to add another camera, please follow the instructions below. Open the menu bar in the lower left corner. Click on the Wi-Fi function. The impaired camera will make a big sound. Aim the camera lens at the QR code on the screen. Keep a distance of 10 to 30 centimeters until the camera stops beeping. It means the camera is connected successfully. Then close the QR code interface. The monitoring screen will appear.